is gone and the flowers rot. Words are spaces between us, and I should have been drowned in the rivers I found of token lust. And I should have been down when you made me insecure.
And I'm hoping, I'm not slowing, gotta just keep on rolling, I'm joking, boy moving fast. And I'm hoping, praying that I don't crash. All I know is I'm not slowing, gotta just keep on rolling, gotta keep at it, gotta stay focused, boy moving fast. And they rolling, praying that I don't crash. All I know is I'm not slowing, we rolling, gotta just keep rolling, gotta keep rolling.
Only live once, I'ma live mine now. Fill up the plug, let me light my blunt. And I don't really know what the fuck's in my cup, but a couple shots of it got a nigga on stuck. I'm just here to have a good time. A little white chick, a little white wine. Had a town, spent a couple nights at Towels. Smoking weed in the streets till we out towels. And don't bother me. High shit for my broccoli. Fly shit for no goddamn reason. And y'all aight, but y'all not like me. It's MMG, and that's my clique. That's BOA. See, that's my set. My CDG shit to match my kicks. And the posture feet, I'm behind that S sorta. Black beamer, black to pick me up. Backwood a tree, I'm action now. See, I've been kicking my raps good. With or without sales, I'm killing these black heads. My rap is not Zima. Light it up for a nigga. 1 or 2 hoes ain't enough for a nigga. 1 or 2 bottles ain't enough for a nigga. Redberry everywhere, got pumpkin jealous.
I'm joking, boy moving fast. And I'm hoping, praying that I don't crash. All I know is I'm not slowing, gotta just keep on rolling, gotta keep at it, gotta stay focused. We rolling, boy moving fast.
He can own that, shawty, I'ma lease that. I'ma put you in the game where your cleats at. I'ma sign that work, then release that. I don't be where the crabs on police at. I just be where the cash and the freaks at. Smoking Green Bay, nigga, I'm a cheesehead. In a Lambo, see me where the G's at. 10K in my camos, word, 10 J's and I can't move. Shades, LV was a little though. Going hard for the days I was piss poor. And go hard cause I feel it's only right to. Made back good music, the right move. Girls say everything that I write smooth. Fuck rap, I get pussy off a haiku. One time for the girls with the right shoes. Fucking with a dude, probably be the right move. 2 times for the chicks with the right bag. If it's right tonight, I might bite that. 3 times, show me your peace sign. Not with your hand, girl, open your knees out. Look, money when we bounce, stuntin' when we out. Double MG out.
I'm talking, young boy moving fast. And I'm praying that I don't crash. All I know is I'm not slowing. Gotta just keep on rolling. Gotta keep at it, gotta stay focused. We rollin', young boy moving fast. And I'm praying that I don't crash. All I know is I'm not slowing. We rollin', gotta just keep on rolling.
talking real gunslingers. I'm talking real outlaws. They saddle up right on into town. And it was high noon in the morning, salute you knew what was going down. They took it outside. Took it outside. Reached man to man, toe to toe, you know they had to go. And nobody's gonna break it up, not until you've had enough. If you think you've got the guts, and let's take it outside. Well, if you think you're man enough, you really wanna knuckle up. If you wanna shed a little blood, then let's take it outside. Let's take it outside. These days things have changed. There's a lot of talk, a lot of pushing and shoving. Well, if you wanna walk the walk, well, let's have some respect. We got girls in here, just pay your tab, lay down your beer halls, and let's take it outside. Let's take it outside. It's man to man, it's toe to toe. You know we need to go, and nobody's gonna break it up, not until we've had enough. And if you think you've got the guts, then let's take it outside. Well, if you think you're man enough, you really wanna knuckle up. If you wanna shed a little blood, then let's take it outside. Let's take it outside, yeah. Round here for a good time. Don't start no trouble, 'cause it won't be the first time. I put a scar on my knuckles, now brother I don't mind. Now I'll be glad to stomp your ass, but if both of us walk out that door, one of us ain't coming back. Nobody's gonna break it up, not until we've had enough. And if you think you've got the guts, then let's take it outside. But if you think you're man enough, you really wanna knuckle up. If you wanna shed a little blood, then let's take it outside. Let's take it outside, yeah.
Dear loved one, please listen. This might be the last chance I get. I'm sorry I left you. I'm living in a world of regret. Don't cry if you can hear me. I never meant to hurt you dearly. I was so wrong, sincerely. Don't stop, take life seriously. These are the last words
Please love them, don't hate them. We're not above them. You can have everything but have nothing. Listen, I've got to tell you something. These are the last words I'm ever gonna get to say to you. When everything falls away from you, take these words and know that, well, it's not worth leaving. Last words I'll ever really get to say to you. So listen very carefully to what I'm saying. Life is more than just a game you're playing. If there was ever one thing I could ever get across to you, I'd tell you not to say the things you do, and tell my mother that I love her too. And no matter what life pulls you through, you got what it takes to make it through. And if I wish you, I get on my knees and pray. Thank God in the morning for another day. 'Cause these are the last words I'm ever gonna get to say to you. When everything falls away from you, take these words and know that, well, it's not worth leaving. Last words I'll ever really get to say to you. So listen very carefully to what I'm saying. Life is more than just a game you're playing. Life is more than just a game you're playing.
You think I'm pretty without any makeup on. You think I'm funny when I tell the punchline wrong. I know you get me, so I let my walls come down, down. Before you met me, I was alright, but things were kinda heavy. You brought me to life. Now every February, you'll be my Valentine. Valentine, let's go all the way tonight. No regrets, just love. We can dance until we die. You and I will be young forever. You make me feel like I'm living a teenage dream. The way you turn me on, I can't sleep. Let's run away and don't ever look back. Don't ever look back. My heart stops when you look at me. Just one touch. Now, baby, I believe this
This is my life. It's not what it was before. All these feelings I've shared, and these are my dreams that I've never lived before. Somebody shake me, 'cause I must be sleeping. Now that we're here, so far away, all the struggle we fought was in vain, and all the mistakes one life could take, they all finally start to go away. And now that we're here, so far away, and I feel like I can face a day, and I can forgive, and I'm not ashamed to be the person that I am today. These are my words I've never said before. I think I'm doing okay. This is the smile I've never shown before. Somebody shake me, 'cause I must be sleeping.